What is up, guys? This is Theo here, coming to you live with another JavaScript coding tutorial. Today I'm going to be talking about how to understand triple equals or strict equality in JavaScript. So basically what this is just dealing with two different types of equality enforcement or equality encouragement that the JavaScript interpreter handles at runtime or upon compilation of reading the code that you've written. So let's look at this, guys. We have two numbers. Number 1 is equal to 5, and number 2 is going to be equal to 5. If we log out 5 is equal to 5, we should get true. If we log out 5 is equal to 5, we should get true. Okay, that's good. However, what about an example like this? Number 2 is equal to 5, right? It's equal to a string. So you might think, okay, number 1 is still going to be equal to number 2, right? Well, you're right, because what will happen is, under the hood, the JavaScript engine will look at this and it'll try and run int.parse on here and try and convert this string into an integer. So this is literally the same as doing int.parse number 2, right? Oh, sorry, I was thinking C#. Parse int number 2, okay, right? But if we were to do name, it's not going to know what name is. It can't parse name. That doesn't make sense. But because this is really a number, it's going to look here and it's going to run its parse int method, which is going to return, which is going to coerce this into a number, okay? So that's good, right? So now that we understand what it's doing under the hood, the JavaScript engine, we have these numbers, right? And because JavaScript isn't a strongly typed language, I would say the reason why we do this is so that when we expect values back, we just want to be more strict about what we're expecting. So this is a neat little thing that was put into the language. So what if we do number 1 triple equals number 2? Why did we get a false there? Well, because strict equality compares both type and the value. So yes, under the hood, after this int.parse is run, okay, it is coerced to an integer. However, strict equality will not do that. Strict equality will look at it and say, hey, number 2 is a string, number 1 is a 5. Of course those aren't equal, right? So basically, as you can see, strict equality, type and value, double equals, which is 2 equal signs, is console use strict. I guess you can't do it in here, maybe. But it just shows you what's happening underneath the hood, right? Number 1 equal to number 2. And that's just, the most obvious example of, strict comparison. Why would you use this? Again, when you're trying to expect a certain value type back. So you're sending some data to a database and you want to make sure that it is equal. So anytime I'm writing JavaScript code, I'll make sure both the type and the value are equal. I would say most of the time you really can get away with using just double, but I think it's better practice if you look at JavaScript documentation to use triple equals. So that's it. But yeah, it's a very easy example. If you have any questions about it, don't hesitate to ask me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like it. Give me some feedback. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Help me get to 100 subscribers. Always love making content for you guys. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.